I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marion. Today's video, I am showing you 2 units that I got from Hermosa hair. This is not a sponsored video. As I always say, I'm not a hairstylist. I just do what I can do with these installs from my home. But if you would like to see how I install this wig, my thoughts on this wig, then definitely stay tuned. But before we jump into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and of course, subscribe. So in today's video, I thought I would show you 2 units that I got from Hermosa hair. They had a buy one get one free sale. So let me just give you a little deets on these particular units. So I ordered a water wave lace frontal wig, 100% high quality virgin human hair, 150 density. This is supposed to be HD lace, 13 by 4 lace and 20 inches. And then I got a 4 and 27 highlights honey blonde wig, 13 by 4 HD lace frontal human hair wig, 180% density at 18 inches for free. So when I got my package, it came really fast through DHL. It comes like this, and let's see what we have. So since I got 2 units, it has another bag in here, and let's see what's in the bag. So basically, they doubled up, so I have lashes, another pair of lashes, then 2 sets of wig caps, and then 2 sets of wig elastic bands, which is cool. And let me show you guys the units, because I don't know which one I want to put on. I got a feeling that I'll probably have to bleach the knots. I was hoping that I didn't have to do that, but if I do, I'll probably go with the blonde one. So it comes in packaging like this. It says medium, meaning a medium cap. I measured my head, and it's supposed to be 22.5, so hopefully it's right. This one says medium somewhere. It's somewhere out here. Off the bat, this is what the hair looks like. It has baby hairs, but you know I don't rock baby hairs. I'm not gonna even pay attention to that. And this is so far the quality of the hair. So with the lace, yeah, I'm gonna have to bleach the knots on this one. So it's not as bad, but I definitely have to bleach the knots, and I don't have any bleach, so I have to put this one to the side. Now for the highlight one, let's see what this one is. So off the bat, the hair feels so stunning. Doesn't have a smell. I'm not going to bleach the knots because, as you can see, the construction of the wig, these knots are not as defined as the black wig. So I feel like I can go ahead and just install this one. I'm going to remove this middle comb because it irritates me, and then cut the back. So one thing about this wig, it does not have an elastic band. However, it does have the adjustable strap. So if that's something that you need, this may not be the unit for you.
here is where the struggle begins. The hair was not acting right. I'm using a wand curler, and I forgot what brand it's from. I think Hot Bliss or Bliss, but it was just not working for me whatsoever. I had to keep going back and forward and recurling the same pieces of hair, as you can see. And I'm not gonna lie, I was getting extremely frustrated. It got to the point where I was just like, you know what, this not working. Let me go ahead and get my old school Conair and see what I can do with that. As you can see, it helped out a little, but I felt like once I got to the other side of my hair, I realized that I really needed to let the curling irons get a lot hotter than what, I was kind of like rushing. So I can understand why I was getting frustrated, but it did curl a little, but not to what I was expecting or to my liking. But when you're in a rush, because I was going to link up with my friends, that's what happens to me. I don't know if it happens to you, but it definitely happens to me when I am in a rush. Things tend to get a little, messed up. And I'm going to kind of like layer the front, do a little trick. I could have, cut it a little bit shorter, but I was just like, you know what? I just need to go. And as you can see, the curls really didn't last, but I just wanted to show you the back, because I ended up the next day wanding my hair. And as you can see, it came out a whole lot better using a wand curler. I have the Chi wand curler, and I'm not gonna lie to you, the curls lasted at least 4 to 5 days with me just wand curling the hair and spraying it down. And I was able to wear the hair halfway up, well, like half up, half down. So definitely with this unit, you have to like have a better curling iron or flat iron, or use a better wand curler. And of course I had to use the Chi one. So all in all, I enjoy the hair. I like the color. I'm pretty sure you'll like it as well. If you enjoyed this video, I enjoyed watching me install this wig, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and as always, thank you for watching.
I'm going back, I'm going